Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I'm going to unbox Phillips One Blade Pro. As you can see it here, I just picked it up from Amazon a few days ago for 130 Australian dollars, which it was on special. I think generally its price is like 180 bucks, so it was $50 cheaper. And I was looking for a new trimmer, so I thought, oh, I'll give it a try because I've heard a lot of good things about this one. In this video, I am going to only unbox the item, but I'll make another video to actually make a review of this to give you my honest thoughts after about a week or two, because I want to be able to use it for a couple of weeks and then determine whether it's actually good or not. I have seen a lot of videos online. People are saying that it's really good, but it's sometimes hard to judge things because a lot of the YouTubers, especially the big YouTubers, they get paid to make these videos. They get sent out the free units and everything. So I have been duped a few times before, where I bought a few products thinking, oh yeah, they were recommended by somebody on YouTube, but then you buy it and it turns out to be absolute crap, With this one, however, I am a little bit positive because my housemate also has one blade. He doesn't have the Pro version. He does have the base version, but that one does perform fairly well, according to him. So I thought, oh, well, I'll go with this one because it was on special. And there's a couple of reasons I bought this one, because this one has the lithium battery instead of nickel metal hydride, so which is what I wanted. Apart from that, it's very similar to the other one. So anyway, let's look at the box. At the front, it just shows you the description, shows you a couple of things that they come with it. On the right hand side, it actually shows you it comes with the skin guard and a body comb and an extra blade. So it comes with two blades, shows you wherever you can use it on your body. At the back, a bit more details, tells you that it can be used as wet or dry, and tells you that it's got a lithium ion battery in it and an adjustable comb. Few more instructions on the side, I guess, and yeah, that's about it. So let's open up the box and see what's inside it. And here we go. So we have the actual unit here. Oh, that's actually gray color. I thought it was gonna be black based on the box. Okay, right, so I like the gray and black tone as well. So we got that. Let's pop that out. And you have the adjustable comb. And oh, I thought it was supposed to have two blades, but I can only see one so far. Let's take this one out. Oh yeah. So you got the blade here. Oh, okay. So you got another blade and it's already got the comb installed on it. So let's put that aside for a minute. What else is down here? Oh, that must be the charger. Oh, yeah. So it's got like a little protection box for traveling. Oh, that's pretty cool. Then we got the body comb, and then yep, the charger. Would have really liked if this one comes with like a USB-T type C charger, but unfortunately it doesn't. Let's just pop it aside for a moment. And it also has like a little travel pouch, which I have to say feels really cheap and crappy. Really cheap. What else is down here? Okay, so you got an instructions manual. Yep, that's pretty much it. And what else is down here? Okay. Oh, but there's a daily care app apparently that comes with it. All right. Well, that's about it. So that's everything that you get in your box. So you get a charger. You get the body comb, blade, and also a skin guard. And then you get another blade, a little travel protector, your actual unit, and your adjustable comb. And this is it for this video, because like I said, this was only unboxing. So I'll see you in about a week, with my week or two, depending on when I can upload it, with my review for the actual unit, to see how it performs. Until then, you guys have a good day. Bye.
feel the